Welcome to Today Curiosities. Here we'll tell you about celebrities and royalty. The video was filmed on 24 November and reported by the pilot to the UFO tracking website UFO Stalker on December 4th. The pilot said that he was flying over the Pacific Ocean at the time.
The man managed to record, from the cockpit of the plane, 3 rows of impressive strange lights that appear to move and rotate, flying in formation.
I don't know what that is. That is some weird shit.
If you like the video, give it a like and share it with everyone.
2735, between 120, that's 17, good day. Between 120 and 47, good day, we're in 2735.
Gone.
While many were surprised by the moving lights, others were quick to point out that they were anti-missile flares fired from a fighter jet.
But how were they moving information? If you are new to the channel, subscribe with notification as I'll continue to talk about these topics. And as always, thank you very much to everyone for being there, and until the next video.